Hey guys, welcome to my channel, the Anti-Inflammation Kitchen for gluten-free, dairy-free and tomato-free. Today I'm going to be making a salmon sushi bake. This is one of my favorite recipes. I'm so excited to do this today. So what I have in front is the crab meat. This I got from Kroger, just plain crab meat, imitation crab meat. I got the salmon, which is wild-caught salmon from Costco. I got some coriander leaves, which is washed already. I got some garlic salt, liquid aminos, which is in place of soy sauce, it's gluten-free. This is plant-based vegan mayo, which is dairy-free. I got some plant-based ranch dressing. This too is dairy-free, gluten-free, etc. And then I have the sesame seeds over here, and I'll show you how to use this later. I got some seaweed. I got some basil, which I cut out from my plant in the front. I got some rice vinegar, and I got the rice. This is the sushi rice, which we're going to be using today. Okay, I got about 2 cups of rice over here, which I'm going to wash and soak. Okay, so the rice has been soaked. I'm going to go ahead and add this over here. Okay, I'm going to go ahead first and remove the skin from the salmon. Okay, I have my salmon over here. I'm going to go ahead and cut it into pieces, and then I'm going to mix it with these ingredients over here. So this is the rice over here. It's all cooked and looks nice and mushy. I'm going to first put it in a bowl. Okay, then you add some vinegar to it. I add about 1 tablespoon of rice wine vinegar, and I mix it together. Okay, now I'm going to put some garlic salt in the rice, and I'm going to continue mixing it. Just cool down a lot. Nice and sticky. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and preheat the oven, 375. I'm going to put that for 5 minutes first. Okay, so while the oven is being preheated, I'm going to spray this pan here with avocado spray so it doesn't stick to the edges. Then I'm going to go ahead and take the rice and lay it down. So the first layer I have here is the rice. Okay, just gonna sprinkle it. Okay, so I got some crab meat over here. Just gonna place it over here, and I'm going to go ahead and cut it into small pieces so I can place it in the dish. Okay, next I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle some seaweed over this. Now I'm going to go ahead. Once the oven is already preheated, I'm going to go ahead and put this in the oven. Perfect. For 20 minutes. 20 minutes, 375. Okay, so while the salmon is in the oven, I'm going to go ahead and chop up my greens over here. I got some basil and some coriander, which I'm going to sprinkle over the salmon dish. Okay, after 20 minutes in, I went ahead and put it on broil for 5 minutes. Wow, looks so good. Now I'm going to go ahead and drizzle this with some of my sauces. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Just sprinkle some of this on top of my plate. It's so good. The sauces are perfect. The seaweed on top of it is so good. The Tabasco has a nice heat to it too. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please follow me, like and subscribe this channel for more gluten-free, dairy-free and tomato-free recipes. Thank you and have a great day.